new section of learning, and our subject today is agriculture science. We have an exciting topic to learn today. But before we begin, I have a simple question for you. Here, look at the pictures, the rocks, and the next picture telling us more about the rocks. So, explain what happened to the rocks. What do you think happened to these rocks? I would love you to leave your answer in the comment section. Okay? So what is soil? I guess you've heard the word soil heard this time. So what is soil? Okay? I'm glad to have you respond in the comment section. So our topic today is soil formation. Soil formation. Now, before I talk about soil formation, I need to explain to you what soil is. Soil is the top layer of the earth's surface on which plants grow. Then the process of soil formation is called weathering. The process of soil formation is called weathering. So weathering is the breaking down of rocks into tiny particles to form soil. If you noted on the first picture I showed you, asking you to explain what happened to the rocks, you would notice that the rocks were in bulk, and the second picture displayed showing us that the rocks are being broken down. Now the process of breaking those rocks into tiny particles to form soil is called weathering. Now weathering has three processes. Okay, so number one is chemical weathering. Chemical weathering is the process by which rocks are broken down through chemical changes. Now these rocks are broken down through chemical changes. Because of the chemical changes, it is called chemical weathering. And there are some agents of chemical weathering that facilitate that, which are rainfall, oxygen, carbon dioxide, living organisms, and acid. Now let's go to the second one. The second one is physical weathering. Now look at the rock. This rock is smooth but broken into two. If you can see the piece on the ground in the picture. So physical weathering is the breaking down of rocks into smaller pieces but leaving them chemically unchanged. Now let's go back to the previous picture. If you look at this one, because of the chemical changes, you can see the way the rocks are broken down into tiny particles. They are not broken in big bits, but just bits by bits. You can see the first surfaces are not smooth. Going to physical weathering, you can see the surface is still smooth, although it's been torn apart into two. So this is physical weathering, not chemically. This is chemically unchanged. So agents of physical weathering are changes in temperature. When there are changes in temperature, it facilitates physical weathering. Plants' roots, eyes, and wings. We'll go to the last one, biological weathering. Biological weathering is the weathering that is brought about by the activities of plants and animals. Now look at what is happening here. If you notice, the tree is growing between the rocks. For it to spring up, the rocks have to be torn apart. So this is called biological weathering. Okay, remember I said it's done by the activities of plants and animals. When the cows are grazing, sometimes they have to climb mountains and all that. Because of the pressure they exert on the rocks, on those rocks, it causes changes that they don't remain the same. Okay, and what happened? You see the bit falling off to form soil. Now the examples are the activities of trees. You can see the tree growing up. The next one is rodent, earthworms, bacteria, fungi, cattle, as I've told you, sheep, goats, and man. Yes, when man step on it, sometimes some men tell you they're going to the mountains and all that. The more activities done on those rocks, the more they are being broken down into tiny particles. Okay? So, remember what we've discussed today, that soil is a layer of the earth's surface on which plants grow, and the breaking down of rocks to form soil is called weathering. So let's answer the questions below. It's activity time. I guess you are ready. Just easy peasy activity. Question 1. You can also pause the video, take down the answers and paste it or type them in the comment section. Question 1. Dash is the top layer of the earth's surface on which plants grow. A. Farming. B. Weathering. C. Soil. The second question. One of these is not a weathering process. A. Chemical weathering. B. Biological weathering. C. Biophysical weathering. The third question. Temperature, plants, roots, and ice are the agents of dash weathering. A. Biological. B. Physical. C. Biological. All two options here. 4. Which weathering process is done by the activities of plants and animals? A. Biological weathering. B. Chemical weathering. And C. Physical weathering. Okay, now I would love you all to take the answers. I guess you have penned down your answers, but perhaps you missed any word. Just take the correction. Okay, so for question number 1, the top layer of the earth's surface on which plants grow is soil. Soil is the answer. And the second one, which of these is not a weathering process? The answer is biophysical weathering. Okay? The last one, temperature, plants, roots, and ice are the agents of dash weathering. A. Biological. B. Physical. C. Chemical. The answer is physical. 4. Which weathering process is done by the activities of plants and animals? The answer is biological weathering. I hope you've gained a lot today, and I'm excited you participated in today's class. Thank you for participating in this section of learning. Kindly leave your questions in the comment section. Don't forget to like,